Tanveer Mohammed Masoodani. Through this edition of Travel and Event, I would try to pay my heartiest condolences and homage to the passed away soul of Mr. Farooq Sheikh Sahab, who basically passed away recently, and his death basically saw the end of an era which was working effortlessly, which was working tirelessly, without any sort of favor towards the development of Urdu culture and Urdu language. And he was one such Bollywood actor who was basically had given his best to the development and to the revival of Bollywood art movies. In 1970s and 80s, there was this culture, this custom of art movies basically being made, and he was one such character who used to actively participate and play his part in such art movies, and became very popular in those days. He started off his career from a movie named Shatranj Ke Khiladi, and that was one such movie that basically gave an impetus to his career, and in fact he reached the pinnacle of his career through the medium of one single movie that he had gone on to play, and he played a very fantastic role, and that, as I said, it was that movie that basically gave him the courage, the impetus to work forward and to work in various movies that basically came up for him one after another. Garam Hawa was one such movie that gave another added impetus to his career. It was basically the movie that was surrounding the partition of the country, and he went on to play a very vibrant role in that movie. So his death basically finds a gap in the work of a person, of an intellectual who was basically working tirelessly and was basically working without any sort of return and favor, and who was basically trying to exert himself towards keeping the culture of Urdu language alive, and his work basically gives us this impetus, gives us this example when we can also try our best to keep this culture of Urdu alive, so that we can keep our culture and tradition going with this fast-paced world, which basically at times really goes on to corrode our culture at times. So it's youngsters for us to make sure that we keep our culture of Urdu alive, this language of Urdu alive, and keep going.